Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your Elite Velour Slim earpads for the Sennheiser HD800. The first step is to open up your new Dekoni audio earpads. This is important because inside the box there is a pry tool. This pry tool will help you remove the old earpads from the headphones. To start, on the back of the headphone, where the earpads meet the plastic, there's a little notch where you can stick the pry tool and remove the earpads slowly. You can use leverage to pop the clips out of the headphone. Once you've got the first pop, the next thing is to twist the earpads. If you give them a twist in either direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise, the earpads will be removed much easier. Repeat once more for the other side. Now, grab your new Dekoni Audio HD800 Slim earpads. Both pads are symmetrical, so it does not matter which one you choose. Because of the very distinct shape of the Sennheiser HD800, it should be very easy for you to line up your new earpads with the headphones. To attach the earpads to the headphone, you need to push the clips into the ear cup. To do this, you must put a considerable amount of pressure on the earpad. Eventually, the earpad will clip into place and you might hear an audible click. Go around the earpad and make sure every part is clipped in. You can test to make sure it's clipped in by pulling against the earpad. Repeat this process once more for the other side. Now, enjoy your new Elite Velour Slim earpads for the HD800.